Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Arpita Paul and I am back again with another new video. And in my today's tutorial, I will discuss some more popular string methods used in Java. In my previous videos, I have already discussed some of the most popular string methods used in Java. Please go through those videos if you haven't yet watched the video. And in today's class, I will discuss some more popular string methods. Okay, so let's move on to that. So you can see here there is a table where in the left hand side I have written all the method prototypes and in the right hand side I have described what is the purpose of that method. So let's start the class with the description. So first one, you can see the equals method. Purpose of this equals method is to compare the current string to the specified mentioned string. You can see the return type of this equals method is boolean. If two strings are equal, then it will return true. If two strings are not equal, then it will return false. So basically it will check if two strings are equal or not. Okay. Now coming to the next one, that is equal ignore case. Okay, so equal ignore case ignores the case. That means if the strings are in capital letter or small letter, it will ignore the case and then it will check both the strings are equal or not. Okay, but in case of equals, it doesn't ignore the case. Okay, so if two strings are same but in different cases, then it will return false. But in case of ignore case, if two strings are in different cases, it will return true. Okay. Now you can see the next one, that is compared to. Purpose of the compared to is equal like equals. Here it compares two strings lexicographically. So lexicographically means it will compare the ASCII values of two strings. What is ASCII value? ASCII value stands for American Standards Code for Information Interchange. This is a standard code which is used worldwide. Okay, so wherever you are using this ASCII value, it is static for all the time. Okay, so each and every character, either it is an alphabet or any number or any special character, has a specific ASCII value. So compared to compares those ASCII values. If the two characters' ASCII values are different, then it will return the difference, and if both the characters' ASCII values are equal, then it will return 0. Okay, now ASCII value of capital A is 65 and ASCII value of small letter a is 97. So this ASCII value is static and fixed. Okay, so this compared to will return the first difference. Okay, and you can see the next one, compared to ignore case. Similar like equals ignore case, compared to ignore case ignores the case and then returns the difference between two ASCII values of two specific characters of the strings. Okay, I will show you the examples, then the total concept will be more clear. Okay, now see the next one, that is replace method. Purpose of this replace method is to replace one specific character with another one. How we will write it? We will write the replace method and then within bracket first position we will provide the old character which one we want to replace, and separating with comma we will provide the new character with which we want to replace the old character. Okay, so this is how the new old character will be replaced by the new character. Okay, so let me show you with examples how you can implement or use these methods. Okay, so let's move on to the writing part. So here you can see, write a Java program to use the following string methods. So for that I have created a class, then within the class I have declared the main method, and within the main method I have declared three separate strings. Okay, so first string st contains string computer in capital letters, second variable st1 contains string application in small letters, and the third string st2 contains computer in small letters. Okay, now let me show you how you will write the string methods and you will get the output. So for that you can see the first statement I have written, system.out.println, checking both the strings are equal or not. Then separating with plus I am writing st.equals st1. So to use this equals, first we will write the first string with which we want to compare the second string. So the current string is st, that means the computer. Separating with dot operator we are writing equals, then within bracket providing the second string. So second string is here application. So by seeing this, you can easily identify that computer and application, these two are totally different strings. So the output for this one will be false. Now coming to the next one, see here I have written st dot equals st2. So st contains computer and st2 contains computer also. Now what will be the output for this? For this the output will be false. Why? Because these two strings are equal, but the first string is in capital letter and the third string is in small letter. That means these two are not same. I told you if we use ignore case, then only these two will be same. Okay, otherwise these two are not same, because ASCII value of capital C is different and ASCII value of small letter c is different. Now see the next example, checking both the strings are equal or not, ignoring the case. For that I am writing st dot equals ignore case st2. So here again I am comparing the first string with the third string. Now I am using equal ignore case. So for this the output will be true. Why? Because equal ignore case will ignore the case and it will check if the strings are equal or not. And both the strings are equal, you can understand by seeing. So it will ignore the case and it will print true for this comparison. Okay, now coming to the next one, that is compare to. So here also first we will provide the first string with which we want to compare the second string, then separating with dot operator we will write compare to and within bracket the second string. So you can see here first string contains computer and second string contains application. So the compare to method will return the first difference of first two characters. So you can see capital C and small letter a both are different characters, so it will return the difference between these two characters. So ASCII value of capital C is 67 and ASCII value of small letter a is 97. So 67 minus 97 becomes minus 30. So this will return the answer minus 30, the first difference between the two different characters. Okay, so see the next example, st dot compare to st2. So now I am comparing the first string with the third string. So here also it will return a value. Why? Because see ASCII value of capital C is 67 and ASCII value of small letter c is 97. So 67 minus 97 becomes minus 32. So it will return minus 32 as answer. Now coming to the third one, see here I have written st dot compare to ignore case st2. So I am comparing the first string with the third string. Now I am comparing it with the ignore case method. So it will ignore the case and it will compare both the strings. Then the difference between these two strings will be 0. So it will return 0 as output. Okay. Now coming to the last method, that is replace method. How to use that? For that also we will write the first string, then separating with the dot operator we will write the replace. Okay, so this is the string whose characters we want to replace. Then within the bracket in the first position we will provide the character within double quotation which one we want to replace. Then separating with comma we will provide another character with which we want to replace the first character. So here st1 is the string application and I want to replace the P's with the character S. So in application there are two P's here and both the P's will be replaced with the character S. Okay. So let me show you the output how it will work. So for that I am compiling the program. Compiled, class compiled, no syntax error. You can see, minimize the window, right click on your class, click on void main, click on OK. Now see the output. See, checking both the strings are equal or not, false, because computer and application, these two are different string. Second one is also false because first string is in capital letter and the third string computer is in small letter. So these two are different. Now see, checking both the strings are equal or not, ignoring the case, and the output is true. So the first string is in capital letter and the third string is in small letter, but both are equal because we have used equals ignore case. Okay. Now coming to the next one, comparing two strings. So capital letter C and small letter a, difference between these two ASCII values is minus 30. Okay. Now Coming to the next one, comparing two strings. So capital letter C and small letter c, difference between these two characters ASCII values is -32. Now coming to the next one, comparing two strings, ignoring the case. Then the output is 0. That means both the strings are equal. If the output for compared to is 0, that means both the strings are equal here. Okay, now coming to the next one, that is replacing a specific character, then output is application. See, in application there were two p's here and both the p's are replaced with s. Okay, so this is how easily you can use this popular string methods in your program. So thank you everyone, like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you have any video suggestion, please mention it in the comment section below. Until then, stay tuned and thank you.